going to be showing you how to make a straw rocket and its launcher. So first, you're going to need a straw, 1 brad, 3 fins, an eraser, a rubber band, and a popsicle stick, and some tape. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our straw and our eraser. And to get the eraser to fit on top of the straw, we're going to fold it in half and fold it in half again so it's like this, and then just slide the eraser on. And if you want to make the eraser secure, you can put tape around the eraser. So then what we're going to do next is we're going to rip off 1 piece of tape and just set it to the side, and then you're going to take your brad and fold out both of the legs. And then what you're going to do is you are going to rip your 1 piece of tape in half, take 1 half and stick it on this side, the other half on this side, and stick it on your rocket. And then you're going to take 3 more pieces of tape and just stick them to the side. And then you're going to take 1 of your fins, and see the long side, you're going to want to put the tape on the long side, like this. And then stick it on your rocket. And then continue to do that to your other fins. And there's your rocket. So now we are going to make your launcher. So what you're going to do is you're going to take another piece of tape, your popsicle stick, and your eraser, or this isn't an eraser, it's a rubber band. And you're going to stick your rubber band on your popsicle stick like that, and just tape it on. And then make sure this part is secure, because this is your launcher and this needs to be secure. So I'm just gonna stick on another layer. And there you go. You have your launcher. All right, thank you guys. And we also show you how to make this rocket and a ton of other rockets on our rocket camps, and you can find those on our Be Greater Than Average website. Thank you guys.